Okay, so Molly, Sophia.
Hey, what's up, you guys? We didn't end up like filming
An intro to this video.
or like a normal video, so we're just gonna make a week in our lives.
It's just like a bunch of clips from like literally this whole week, or like including some from like exactly a week ago. So they'll all be edited together into one video. And we like introduce ourselves a lot and like start new videos
And say
a lot.
bye every time.
So,
every time.
It's kind of all over the place, but our next video will be more like put together.
Okay, bye!
Sup? We here at Maplewood Mall.
It's like closed.
And it's closed because they close at 6 on Sundays. But we have to wait for her brother because he like really... The lights are off.
Where?
So the lights are really off. So where's your brother?
We're gonna go to Wendy's.
So we're gonna go to Wendy's. 4 for $4. You know what the fuck's going on. So last week, I said that we were gonna do a time lapse of getting ready for prom. We didn't do that.
No.
So we'll just insert some clips.
I was so good.
No. We are inserting clips and pictures of us at prom. Because
Clips? We have clips?
I have clips. No, I have like
And
little
pictures.
videos. You know, okay. You'll see that right here.
You made a tattoo on my butt.
And what? Hey, bitches! We are here in the car with my brother. Say hi. He's about to get me Wendy's. 4 for $4, bitches! Forgot you didn't have to hold it down like Snapchat. We got our fucking Wendy's.
Smacks.
But what sucks is the love of my life is right there. I just like Taco Bell. The same Taco Bell we were at last time. Anyway, bye bitches. Okay, so now we're at the skate park for some fucking reason. Ooh. And we're about to go. I'm gonna try and squash my beef with Erving, so we can hang out with Kimani and them. So you already know what's up. What do you have to say?
Nothing.
All right, there it is.
Sophia.
Hey guys.
Hard of hearing.
We're at school and me and Irving were texting in French back and forth, and he doesn't know how to speak French.
Hard
he-
of hearing. I got it. I got one.
But he knows how to sign, so we're trying
Deaf.
to sign.
Ready?
Being deaf is not funny, it's just that
Of hearing. I got it.
I'm so red. Anyway, we're trying to send him videos of sign language.
Molly, guess what I'm asking you. Ready?
Are you deaf? Say less. Stop!
So I'm having a heat stroke. And Molly shut the window because some men are looking at me. They're still looking at me. Hey guys, it's Sophia. Molly is in the gas station right now paying for her gas because we are on the way to go to the track meet for our school. And we have been to one track meet this year, but we're going to another one, and like a bunch of our friends are in track, so they're like not super fun and they're actually kind of boring, but like gotta go support. And so yeah, when she comes back in the car, I'll vlog again. But for now, we're just on our way. And then when we get there, I'll like put clips in. I think we're just gonna do like a week in our life or something because we haven't been getting a lot of vlogging done.
Met your husband and I said, what a Mary was in the club, but she met Joseph.
So we're at this freaking okay, so we're at this track meet. And Jilly ran, Robert ran. We're not friends with anybody else. So that's it. Molly's wearing the cutest fit, all red. She looks like Santa. It's really cold outside. And yeah, we'll be going to Irving's later. Meet him. Ice cream, yeah, bye. Good morning, it's Friday. I'm about to get in the shower and go to school late for the third day in a row. But yeah, I'll catch up with you later. Okay, so I'm finally leaving the house. By the time I get there, I won't be in class with Sophia, but lunch, we'll see her. So yeah, about to get in the car. I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, so it's lunch. Here's Katie. Meet the vlog. This We're at lunch in the stairs because we got kicked out of our room. So that's what's up. We'll probably hang out tonight. Bitches. So we're in class. Learning. It's very cold. And our teacher's gone. So we're doing guys.
Come to that point.
Our fate.
Okay, so the bell rang. It's time to get
Bitches.
concussion tested again because I smacked my fucking head on the wall
every freaking day.
every day.
Hopefully you get cleared today.
Oh my god, has the vlog met Robert?
No, we've talked about him, but they never met him.
You can meet the asshole Robert. Okay.
Bye.
Hey guys, so I just got home. Sophia and Robert are hanging out right now. It was honestly just a really bad day, so I'm in bed with my noodles watching Netflix, and hopefully I'll be with Sophia later and we can vlog then, and maybe with Key and Erving. Key's at work. I just talked to Erving like 5 seconds ago, so we'll see what's up then. And yeah, talk to you guys later. I forgot to say, I was trying to make ramen and we didn't have the packages, we had the cups, and I don't like the cups. So I just took them out of the cup basically. But turns out it doesn't work like that, and the flavor is all screwed up. It's just so plain. We're together.
Yay. Okay, so we just got Noodles and Company because Kimani works there, and he gave us a whole type of discount. I was very excited about that. And then he doesn't get off until 8:20.
20.
So we're waiting for him. I don't know what time it is. My phone died, but it's like
Not
close to
8:20.
that. Yeah. So we went to Target, and now we're waiting in the parking lot for him.
He's so cute. Goodbye.
Better hurry up! I'm trying to go to bed.
He's coming. He's so cute. What's up, you guys? It's the afternoon of the next day, and I realized we didn't really film an end to that last video, but basically my car almost exploded or something. It was smoking. It was a disaster. So the night ended pretty quick and everybody just kind of went home. Sophia slept over and left this morning. But yeah, that's it. Goodbye.